Distract.
Oh, I know I'm
Garage door was half open. Grabbed my lucky bag. On my way, saw my title friend, and I helped him off his back. Ghost man is on third base. 1-1 will be tied. Police throwing spitball. Same one stole my bike. Bell rings at Lincoln. Line up single file. Got our class in the morning, and I made Emily smile. But then her friend Sadie asked me, unknown, do you like me? Circle, yes or no? Might ask Mr. Starcher if we could stay at his place. The creepy smoke till his dad woke up with my Jake the Snake pillowcase. No sleep for the big game. Redskins versus Browns. Last year on A squad, and Twain is missing out. 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 Twain